The Villa 13 house is composed of planes that fold, embracing the main spaces of the villa and aiding in its composition, both smoothly navigating around the corner and subtly ascending the slope in Kifissia, one of the suburbs north of Athens. Parthenios Architects Associates designed the first fold in the volume that encloses the living room and the double-height dining space, located at the corner. The second fold surrounds the master bedroom and provides shelter for the outdoor space of the top-floor office, while the third fold encloses the bedrooms of the 3 young family members. The main entrance to the villa occurs beneath the second fold, completely closed off to the street. It divides the villa into 2 parts. Upon entering, there is an unobstructed view through the house towards the atrium, while walking alongside the water. The kitchen is set back to shield from the hot southern sun rays, while fully opening its side to the pool. The white surfaces of the planes engage in a dialogue with the dark gray semi-transparent metal filter on the facades, providing shade and privacy. This layer, composed of vertical rectangular aluminum bars, functions almost like an external partial shell, situated on 2 levels. The lower level protects from the view of those passing by the street, and the upper level shields from the sun. The fold occurring in the corner planes may have lost its propriety when it decided to tilt its internal side, creating a sharp angle with tension. However, it is now able to steer sight towards the view when inside, and, most importantly, to make that annoying electric pillar at the corner of the 2 streets disappear.